Geico also wants to make a comment. In just 15 minutes, you can save hundreds of dollars on your car insurance by switching to Geico. And nothing says inspiration better than saving money. Well, except for those posters that say things like teamwork, excellence, and make it happen. Hashtag keep climbing. Hashtag savings.
Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance. On July 23rd, join the Philadelphia Orchestra as they perform Howard Shore's epic score to The Fellowship of the Ring, the first film from the beloved Lord of the Rings trilogy, live beneath a giant video screen at the Mann Center. See this Academy Award-winning blockbuster film as you've never seen it before, only at the Mann. For tickets, visit mancenter.org or call 800-745-3000.
New York City hosted its first parade honoring people with disabilities.
It was a day to celebrate, many here overcoming challenges to lead normal lives. Vivian Friedens from Bayside was here to march with her guide dog.
We're able to show our pride for the way we live and how we are able to function and be full citizens of society.
They started in Washington Square Park, bound for Union Square down Broadway.
We will roll and ride and walk together for a more just New York City.
And the mayor promised to do more for the disability community. That includes making half of all taxis handicapped accessible by 2020. Roger Stern for KYW News Radio.
The Memphis City Council has begun the process that could result in the removal of the body and a statue of Nathan Bedford Forrest, a rebel general, slave trader, and early Ku Klux Klan member. Members of the Memphis City Council, including Wanda Helper, are considering moving the statue and remains of Nathan Bedford Forrest and his wife from a city park.
Not as simple as the city just making the decision to move the body, move the statue. It's about a process, a legal process that has to occur.
Forrest was a Confederate Army general, slave trader, and early member of the Ku Klux Klan. Jim Crisilla, CBS News. KYW News Time, 8:29.
Occasionally, KYW News Radio conducts contests where you can log on to KYW1060.com to win prizes. Our contests are open to listeners 18 years of age or older who live in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. There's no purchase necessary and contests are void where prohibited. You can win only once every 60 days. One winner per household per contest. Employees of KYW, its licensee, its corporate parents, subsidiaries, and affiliates, its advertising agencies, participating sponsors, the prize sponsor, promotional partners, other radio stations in the Philadelphia metropolitan area, and the members of their immediate families and/or households are ineligible to participate or win. All decisions of KYW management are final. Unless we tell you otherwise, prizes are non-transferable and not redeemable for cash. But we reserve the right to substitute a prize of equal or greater value if need be. You forfeit any prize or prize certificate not claimed within 45 days of winning. Winners are solely responsible for taxes that might be due on the value of the prize. Full contest rules are available at KYW1060.com.
The Jersey Shore forecast tonight mostly clear, low 68. Monday mostly sunny, high 80. Tuesday at the beach, partly sunny with showers and a thunderstorm, high of 82. KYW News Time, 8:30.
Live with all news, all the time from the Penn Medicine Studio. Your life is worth Penn Medicine.
The News Watch never stops. This is KYW News Radio 1060, the news authority in Philadelphia.
Good evening. I'm Jeff Ash. At the CBS Broadcast Center in Spring Garden, we have mostly cloudy skies, 83 degrees. We're going down to 69 overnight. In the news at this hour, Philadelphia police investigate a sexual assault at an Overbrook golf course. I'm Tim Jimenez.
The NAACP convention in Philadelphia makes waves on day one, ending a boycott that's lasted 15 years. I'm Terry Gray.
Another fatal overdose prevented by Narcan in Camden this week. Police say it's the 100th save in the city.
It's a huge positive impact for us.
I'm Mike Doherty. And on the medical front,
Remember death panels? Medicare has revived the idea of paying doctors to help plan end-of-life care.
That is going to help patients with very important decisions.